Hello, kiddos. We are going to do calendar together today. So let's get started. First, can you find for me on the calendar the orange star? Here it is. The orange star is on the number 7 because today is the 7th day of October. Now let's move on to today's date. Today's date is Wednesday, October 7th, 2020. Can you say that for me? Great job. Now let's say it together. Today's date is Wednesday, October 7th, 2020. Now I'm going to move to the green box. The green box says today is. What day is it today? Today is Wednesday, so I'm going to put Wednesday in the green box. All right, now let's move up to the pink box. The pink box says yesterday was. If today is Wednesday, then that means that yesterday was Tuesday. So I'm going to put Tuesday in the pink box. All right. Now I'm going to move down to the blue box. The blue box says tomorrow will be. If today is Wednesday, then that means that tomorrow will be Thursday. So I'm going to put Thursday in the blue box. All right. I'm going to read it all together, and then I would love for you to read it all together with me. So I start up at the pink box. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Now let's say it all together. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Fantastic job. Now let's move on to the weather. The forecast for today is sunny. Can you take a look for me outside and tell me, is it sunny today? It is sunny today. Fantastic. So let's move on to the pink box. The pink box is the temperature, and our temperature for today is 81 degrees. Whoa! So let's take a look at our red line. Our red line is getting bigger. This is crazy because it is fall, so I thought that it would be getting smaller because that would mean it's getting colder. But our red line is pretty big today, so that means that it is going to be warm. I wonder what the weather is going to be like tomorrow. This is crazy weather. Now let's add a new rectangle to our weather graph. Which row am I going to add a rectangle to today? The sunny row. So I'm going to put a pink rectangle in the sunny row. Okay, let's count how many sunny days in October we've had together. 1, 2. We have had 2 sunny days in October. How many more cloudy days in October have we had than sunny days? We have had 1 more cloudy day in October than sunny days. Very cool. Now let's move on to counting the number of days in school. Something changed about our number of days in school graph. Can you tell me what has changed? Our circles turned to stars because now when we fill up a 10 frame, our circles will turn into a star. And how many full 10 frames do we have today? 4. So that means that we can count all of the number of days in school by tens today. This is super exciting. Okay, so let's count the number of days in school by tens. And just to review, we know that we can count all of the number of days in school by tens because all of our 10 frames are filled. So let's count together. 10, 20, 30, 40. We have had 40 days of school so far. Whoa, that makes me super excited. Now let's move on to patterns. Let's try that again. Let's move on to patterns. There we go. Oof. Oh. Is it staying? Yes, it is staying. Okay. Let's say the first pattern together. And remember, when we get to a blank, we're going to, because there's nothing there. Okay, let's say the first pattern together. Star, square, square, star. What shape goes on this blank? I know that this is going to be a shape that is in between, that comes before a square and also comes after square because it is in between two squares. So let's find a shape that comes before a square. I see a star comes before a square. Now let's try and find a shape that comes after a square because it also has to come after a square because of this side. So, oh, I see a star. So that means that a star works for both sides. Does this pattern look right to you? It looks right to me. So let's say it all together. Star, square, star, square, star. Great job. Now let's move on to the next pattern. Remember, when we get to a blank, we're going to... All right, let's do it. Diamond, heart, diamond, diamond. What shape goes on this blank? Well, I know that the shape is a shape that comes before a diamond and a shape that comes after a diamond. It is in between two diamonds. So now I'm going to look in the pattern for a shape that comes in between two diamonds, and I found it. It is a heart. So should I put a heart on this blank? Yes, I should. All right, kiddos, let's say this whole pattern together now. Diamond, heart, diamond, heart, diamond. Fantastic job. Now, let's move on to the last pattern of the day. All right. Triangle, circle, triangle, circle. What shape goes on this blank? Well, I know that this shape is a shape that is going to come after a circle. So I'm going to look for somewhere in a pattern a shape that comes after a circle. Oh, I see a triangle that comes after a circle. So should I put a triangle on this blank? I think so. I think that we solved this pattern. All right, let's say the whole pattern together just to make sure. Triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. Awesome job. Thank you so much for helping me with calendar today. I hope that you have a lovely rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye!